Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is the recessive allele, the one that only shows up when you have two copies. By the end of this video, you'll know what carrier means, why recessive diseases skip generations, and how to hand a Punnett square. A recessive allele only produces its phenotype when two copies are present, when the genotype is homozygous recessive. Written as a lowercase letter, like lowercase b for blue, if a dominant allele is also present, it masks the recessive allele. So only the genotype lowercase b gives the recessive phenotype. Three things. 1. Lowercase letter equals recessive. 2. You need two copies for the trait to show. 3. Heterozygous individuals, i.e. capital B, lowercase b, are carriers. They have one recessive allele, but don't show the recessive phenotype. They can pass the recessive allele to their children. Common slip. Recessive doesn't mean rare or weak. It just means the allele is masked by a dominant one. Cystic fibrosis is recessive. A single recessive allele doesn't cause it. You need to inherit the recessive allele from both parents to have the condition. Quick example, cystic fibrosis is autosomal recessive. Two carrier parents, capital F, lowercase f, crossed with capital F, lowercase f. A Punnett square gives one capital F, two capital F, one lowercase f. The lowercase f individual, i.e. 1 in 4, has cystic fibrosis. The two capital F, lowercase f individuals are healthy carriers. They don't have the disease, but can pass it on. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.